Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to make a certificate for the IIS Manager and how to use it to view website content securely through a HTTPS connection. So the first thing let's do is create another directory. I just want another directory to put all the content in. HTTPS test2. So I've got that. It can be in any directory on your computer. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure it's in one of your folders and not another user's folders, so that you actually have access to the directory. Let's add the website. Actually, first, let's create the certificate. Okay, down. Server certificate. So I have one. I'm going to show how to create another one. Create a self-signed certificate. I'm going to name it Get. Okay, there it is. That's just as easy as it can be to create a certificate. Now let's create the website, which we're going to force to use this certificate. Site name, HTTPS test2. Doesn't matter what you name it, just as long as you give it a name that you recognize. It doesn't have to match the name of the folder that you just created, but I just did that. It didn't, so that's good. Okay. Connect as user, test settings. Okay, that'll change a little bit. Now we want HTTPS connection, and we need to select our certificate. And we'll select the certificate that we just created, and if you wanted to, you can view all of the details of your certificate. When it expires, the details of what kind of encryption it uses. My certificate. So you wanted to look at that stuff, you could. Got all that. And so okay, so yeah, we still want to use it, although it's a different certificate. Got that. HTTPS 2. I'm going to stop this one. I'm going to stop this one too, because there's no need in having platforms or sites running that I'm not going to use. Okay, next thing, let's publish to that website, to the folder, HTTP 2. Okay, and it's published. Okay, let's go back to our IIS manager. Let me make sure I have this as the right application pool. HTTPS. HTTPS test2 version no. So I'm just going to change this real quick. It needs to be Net Framework 4.0 and HTTPS. I want everything, the database to be, in order for the database to be accessed, we need a good identity, a valid identity. So let's go to advanced settings. The application pool, change this real quick. Done this before in our previous video. Okay. Okay. Another thing I want to do is allow, where is it? I want to allow directory browsing, just for testing purposes. And if you didn't see, I just started the website. Here, I'll start again. Now watch this. This website, since, minding, let me see if, this website now requires HTTPS, it requires a certificate in order to be viewed. So let's pull up a Explorer and go to HTTPS. Oh no, first let's go to HTTP localhost, and if you remember correctly, the port it was going to use was 443. So let's run this and see if it connects to our website. And it is working. We'll eventually get an error message. I'm just going to wait for it so you can see what the error message is. I've got to get a video editor so I can edit these and cut out the parts of the video that are just dead air. I gotta find one though. This is gonna have to get cut out. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, finally we got a error message. Our attempt to access this website without a secure connection failed. So let's add that S. Bam. Now this warning comes up only because this is not a verified certificate. This is not a certificate generated by one of the certificate generating companies like VeriSign or something, so it's not an authentic certificate. So it's saying that you do have a certificate, but it is not a trusted certificate. Now we know this since we created this certificate ourselves. So we're going to continue to this website anyways. And here we go, HTTP localhost. Oops, that's not it. And we are able to access our website. That's all for this session. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.